Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say Happy New Year, Merry Christmas even though it's late. I hope you guys all had a great Christmas and New Year's, and let's just get right into this video. Of course, here we go. It is my monthly BoxyCharm video. Oh, upside down. So in today's video, I'm just going to be reviewing my base box versus my purchased box. So if you guys want to see what I got and let's compare them both, just keep on watching. Get 5 full-size beauty products with an average of $175 for, I think the price went up to $30 now. With BoxyCharm's base box, you can, with every month, you can upgrade to premium or luxe once you have subscribed. Okay, so this is my base box, the one that I paid for, and this one is the PR box. Let's go through the PR box first. I'm going to bring you guys in a little bit closer. So, let's see what we got, and we're going to add it all up and look at the total once we're done. Oh, okay. Grab my phone. Since I was able to come on here and talk to you guys, I hope you guys are all doing good. Like I said before, things have just been really crazy busy, and the holidays, being with family and stuff like that. Anyways, let's just dive right in. This is what the box looks, this is what the PR box looks like. This month's box is Refresh, the card. Okay, so the first item we got was Wander Beauty. I don't have anything from Wander Beauty. Wanderess Escape Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, I always wanted to try this brand. I don't have anything from Wander Beauty. This is kind of cool. So this is this here. Let's see what the palette looks like. Here's the palette here. It's really oh, it's upside down. Here it is here. Really pretty. It's like a cliff that reminds me of Ireland. Pretty pretty. Oh wow, these colors are pretty. They're neutrals and I guess warm tones. Very, very nice. This retails for $42. Wow, that's really good right there. So the next item is from Estetica Cream Contour Kit. Okay. This is really cool because I wanted to get another one of these. This is the cream contour kit, and it has all the colors here on the back. That's really cool. This retails for $40. Wow, this is gonna look really, really good. Chisel out your nose, your face, your forehead. Look at my big old forehead. Wow, this is really, really nice. Ooh, I'm super excited. This is why I like BoxyCharm, because yeah, you're paying $30, $25, whatever, but you get to try all these really great products out. The next item is from Harbour Naturals Nectar Superfruit Radiance Balm. Wow, that was kind of like a tongue twister to say. Here it is here. The box is really cute. I wonder if it's gonna smell good too. So here it is here as well. You can smell it through this. Oh, it does smell good. It smells really, really good. And this is for as sea fruits and tropical super berries playfully melt across your skin and face with this balm. They insert a lively abundance of vitamins, omegas, amino acids, and numerous other active necessary for achieving your best, bounciest, dewy skin. Okay, I can't read tonight. I'm sorry. So this is like a natural face balm, but it has all these good vitamins and things for it. This will be really good, I would think, coming up, especially like for summertime. I mean, we're still here in winter, but actually this would be good. It reminds me, I think, like a nice hydration for your face. Sea fruit, super berries. Yeah. And it smells really good too. This retails for $38. The next item I got was from Pure Cosmetics. It's right here. Fully charged mascara powered by magnetic technology. A polymer matrix that wraps a positively charged elastic veil around each lash instantly separates, lifts, and defines for unparalleled performance. So it's just a good mascara from Pure Cosmetics. And this retails for $22. Let's see if we can open it. Because everybody likes to see what kind of wand. I don't really wear mascara right now because I have lashes. I get individual lashes on, so I don't really wear too much mascara. Oh, okay, it's nice. It's a nice big bottle. That's what the wand looks like. If I don't use, oh, I probably won't use this, so I might put this in a giveaway coming up. And the last item is from Dragon Beauty Lip Job Liner and Sharpener. I don't have very many products from Dragon Beauty, so this was really exciting to see that this came in this box. This is a Boxy exclusive. So I guess this is exclusive just for BoxyCharm. Yeah, and this is the lip liner. This is the color here. That's really pretty. Let's see if I can line my lips with it. I think it's really nice. And this retails for $18. There's a sharpener in there too. So this box retails for $160. That's still a good deal, especially for the palette and the contour kit right then and there. Very, very good. So let's compare it to my paid base box. I'm just going to put everything back in the box, and we're going to open the other one up. And I'm only able to review both boxes because I got both of them within a good time frame. Usually I'll get my PR box way before than I get my base box. Okay, very exciting. I just say thank you, BoxyCharm, again for gifting me this PR box. I'm super excited about it. All the products in it. I love this so much. Okay, so this is my base box. Little paper things to keep everything from falling around. And it's another refresh card. Fun. Okay, so the first item I see right off the back is from Nars. Whoa, this is really cool. This is the Nars, this cult favorite best-selling blush delivers a weightless, natural-looking rush of cheek color in matte satin and shimmering finishes. And this is in the color Orgasm. This is one of their signature colors. I think I have like a mini one that I got from Sephora. Yep, here is the color here in Orgasm. I remember like a long time ago, this was like Kim Kardashian's color. I remember her wearing it and it was really pretty, and she loved this color a lot. So this is really nice, and this retails for $30. The next item is by Realer Dream So Big Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, it's right here. Another eyeshadow palette. So there's two eyeshadow palettes in the boxes. Let's see what this one looks like. Real Her. Dream So Big. Okay, so this is like a neutral palette. I have so many neutral palettes as it is. I'm not going to touch this one, and I'm going to put this in my next giveaway. Yeah, because I like neutrals, but I have plenty of them. This retails for $28. Okay, the next item I got is from Dermalect Cosmeticals Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum. Serums are really great for your face. They're good to add hydration. They're good for, this one is, the serum successfully targets the looks of fine lines and wrinkles. I mean, starting to get a couple. Thick skin and sun damage. Yes, I'm going to definitely keep this item. This is the serum right here. I think I might actually have another one of these. I have to go look for it. Yep, there it is right there. And this retails for $39. Oh, look at that. So the next item I got was another fully charged mascara by Pure. I'm not going to open this one. I'm just going to put this one in my next giveaway. This retails for $22. And the last item is from Billion Dollar Brows On Point Micro Pencil. So that's here. And it says it's in the color taupe. Taupe is kind of too light for me, so I'm not going to swatch this. Yeah, this is already too light for me, so I'm not going to swatch this. I'm going to put this in my next giveaway as well. And this retails for $16. So this box is a lot less. This box retails for $135. So if I have to compare both boxes, I think I actually like both of them. Don't get me wrong. There's great products in both. But I think I like the palette and the contour box, the contour palette in my PR box. So I think that one wins between these both. But I'm still very grateful to be able to share them with you guys. And we're going to have a giveaway coming up. I keep saying it. I'm going to put it together and I'm going to have a big giveaway. So that was everything in both boxes. I'm really excited to share them with you all again. And I just want to say thank you, BoxyCharm, for gifting me January's PR box. And I also still purchased the base box. So before Alice got to Wonderland, she had to fall. I hope all you birdies and boos, my boos and birdies, are all doing great. And we are going to continue to push through 2022. I can't believe it's 2022 already. So much has happened, you know, throughout the years, and I just want to keep doing well. So that's all for tonight, everybody. Good night. Bye.